The Tri-Magnum, a unique three-wheeler from R.Q. Riley Enterprises in Phoenix, Arizona, is a fascinating blend of motorcycle and car that has captured the imagination of DIY enthusiasts since its introduction in the 70s and 80s. R.Q. Riley created a line of cars during this period, sold as plans and instructions for DIY builders. The Tri-Magnum was one of the most popular and recognizable, featuring in Mechanics Illustrated magazine. This vehicle, available in kit form, remains a testament to the era's innovative spirit, allowing builders to create a custom, ultralight vehicle with both impressive fuel efficiency and sports car-like performance. Its popularity led other companies to offer it as a complete kit. The Tri-Magnum is built around a custom-fabricated steel frame, utilizing a Volkswagen Beetle front suspension and steering system. The drivetrain is sourced from a motorcycle, with the original prototype using a Kawasaki KZ900 engine. However, the company recommends the Honda Gold Wing, particularly models with electric reverse, for its smooth operation and fuel efficiency. The power output varies with the engine choice, but with a Goldwing GL1800 engine, the Tri-Magnum boasts a power-to-weight ratio comparable to a 3,500-pound car with a 350 horsepower engine, surpassing even the Audi S4's ratio. Despite its ultralight construction, the Tri-Magnum delivers 50 miles per gallon, challenging the notion that high fuel economy must come at the expense of style and performance. Inside, the Tri-Magnum offers seating for two, accessed through a forward-tilting canopy that maximizes entry space. The cabin is cozy, with a contoured seat molded into the body and a solid bulkhead at the rear for collision protection and rollover safety. While not ideal for long road trips, the Tri-Magnum's interior is functional and secure. The Tri-Magnum's ultralight construction results in high fuel economy and sports car performance. With 80 horsepower and a 1,200-pound curb weight, it achieves a power-to-weight ratio of 15 pounds per horsepower, equivalent to a 3,500-pound car with a 233 horsepower engine. The Honda Gold Wing-based model offers an even better ratio, around 10 or 11 pounds per horsepower, comparable to a 3,500-pound car with a 350 horsepower engine. The Tri-Magnum's styling is both functional and aggressive, integrating aerodynamics, engine cooling, and safety considerations. The impact-absorbing foam-filled front bumper ties into the frame, while body lines flow smoothly to create a clean separation point at the rear. The lift-up canopy is simple, functional, and strong, counterbalanced with air cylinders for easy operation. Driving the Tri-Magnum is unique, with shifting done via a jet fighter-style control stick emerging from the floor between the occupants. The stick carries the motorcycle's handlebar controls, stacked back-to-back for easy reach. The motorcycle clutch lever is also mounted on the control stick, and the shift pattern remains identical to the original motorcycle. Due to its forward-biased center of gravity, the Tri-Magnum understeers like most conventional automobiles, providing a margin of safety against rollover equivalent to a standard four-wheel family sedan. The Tri-Magnum is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of the DIY spirit and a testament to innovative design. Despite its quirks and limitations, it offers a unique driving experience and impressive performance. For those with a passion for hands-on projects and a love for the 80s aesthetic, the Tri-Magnum remains an appealing and affordable option.